Lost in the vast forest, a young rabbit wanders alone, her whiskers trembling with uncertainty. A massive bear, his heart heavy with solitude, roams the shadows with a growl on his lips. A timid gesture of friendship extended, a sweet offering rejected with a swift swipe of a paw. Disappointment lingers in the air as the rejected gift crumples under the weight of indifference. A magical discovery unfolds, revealing a vibrant tapestry of hues dancing in the gentle breeze. Under the moon's watchful gaze, two unlikely companions venture forth, united by curiosity. A sudden cry breaks the silence, signaling a moment of unexpected pain in the tranquil forest. A gentle giant's hand extends, bridging the gap between strangers with a touch of empathy. A shared moment of tenderness binds them, as the forest bears witness to a newfound bond taking root. Two souls connected by kindness and understanding, embarking on a journey of friendship through the heart of the forest.